Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the iPhone date and time are locked. If you are using any iPhone and your date and time are locked, so let's see how can you easily fix that. So if your date and time are locked, you cannot change your date and time, so you just have to open up your settings to fix that issue. So the very first thing that you have to make sure that you're not connecting to any VPN or you haven't any software update available. So check if you have any software update. Try to update your software. And once you update this software, you have to go back and select VPN and device management. And you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected, or if you have to try to disconnect with your VPN. So once you have done, now how can you easily unlock your date and time? You have to go for general, and here you have to go for the date and time option here. Or if you can't find it here, you have to go for search, and you have to simply search for date or time, and you will get the option. Select that, and here if you want, as you can see, I cannot change my date and time. So if you want to change, you have to disable this toggle which is set automatically. So once you have disabled, you have to select the date and time which you want to change. And once you have done so, simply tap on an empty place and your date and time will be changed. So if you want to set your date and time automatically using internet, so first of all you have to select the time zone from here. So once you have selected your own time zone, you have to enable this toggle which is set automatically. So once you have enabled, your date and time will be set it automatically once you are connected to internet. So in this way you can easily fix your date and time has been logged in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.